Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about RYOBI's ONE Cordless Radio with Bluetooth. A great little radio for keeping you company during your latest DIY project, relaxing in the garden or taking on your camping adventures. Powered by a ONE+ battery, the premium 10-watt speaker provides crisp and clear sound quality, helping you enjoy your favourite music. And using a 5 amp-hour battery, you can listen to your favourite station for up to 29 hours on a single charge. Using the FM and AM scanning selector, you can quickly navigate to the available stations. With Bluetooth wireless technology, you can connect your phone to stream audio from up to 25 meters away. Simply press the mode button and select the RR18 radio from the list of available devices on your phone. It also features a 2 amp USB port for connecting your phone to charge the battery. Perfect for when you're exploring the great outdoors and need a battery top-up. This cordless radio with Bluetooth is part of the ONE+ system, meaning one battery can be used to power multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. And there we have it, RYOBI's ONE+ radio with Bluetooth. The perfect companion for your DIY project or next garden barbecue. Check out the RYOBI website to find our full range of tools.